Use these DIY Halloween hacks this season for maximum laughs and joy. To make this head jar with any person's face you want, fill up a jar with 25 centimeters of water. Print out a picture of the lucky person's face that will be going in the jar and laminate the picture. Next, place the jug of water inside of a bag. Slide the picture inside, and this part is where a longer picture would be better. Fill it with water to the top. Close it and add a bag over the top with the rubber band around the rim. Add ketchup or jelly to add a little grim. You will now scare whoever opens up your refrigerator this month. To make this food board arm, take mozzarella sticks and chop them down to finger size. Then wrap them with a meat of your choice. Use mayo, tuna, or any other dressing for a better stick. Now, if anyone needs help at the party, you can give them a hand. To make this spooky hallway or porch lamp, grab about 5 to 10 cheap candy holders from the dollar store. Yank the handles off and drill holes in the bottom of all of them. Place a single candle or light inside of each tub. Use a separate tub or bucket stuffed with filling of your choice, holding any stick of your choice. A broomstick works fine. Slide each tub onto the broomstick one by one. Tilt and lean them to match your preference. You can even stack them 3-way or 4-way instead of side by side. For this creepy Halloween punch, fill up a glove with water. Tie it up and then freeze it. Gather together your fruit punch or fun juice. Now remove your frozen hand or hands. Finally, drop them into the punch bowl and creep out everyone at the party. Take some plastic bags or anything similar to it. Draw your favorite Halloween things on them. Just print out any design you want and trace it with a stencil and carefully cut out the design. Open up the bag and you now have many decorative Halloween stickers to use and give to friends. Place some blueberries into a circle ice tray. Fill it with water, freeze it, and now you have spooky eyeball ice. Dip your hand into some cool wax and then ice it. Repeat this process as many times as you'd like for a solid coating. Slide the wax off once it's fully solid and fill it with liquid silicone. Wait until it hardens and use a hot glue gun to melt off all of the wax. You now have a fake hand, but don't just leave it like this. Be creative and put together something amazing from your imagination. Heat up a few to many candles in a pot. Once the wax is liquefied, pour it into a bowl and decorate it as you'd like before the wax hardens, but be creative as you can. For your own homemade spooky candle, lightly light the tip of a crayon and drip it evenly on the outer edges of the candle. Afterwards, you'll have this perfectly scary candle. Next, to make these oversized spooky candles, start by slicing foam floaties diagonally and in different heights. Super glue the tips where the slants are and don't worry about the mess. This is what we want. Next, let that gluey mess dry. Spray paint it down with black paint and add lights or candles to your liking.